Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about what is dry cleaning.
Okay, let's get started.
So to start off, what is even dry cleaning?
When you look at the tag on the back of your shirt, you can sometimes see some tags like this.
Dry cleaning is a method of cleaning without water.
Because some fabrics like wool and silk don't react well with water.
Instead, dry cleaning uses other liquids called chemical solvents, since they are safer than water for these materials.
Dry cleaning dates back to a long time.
Dry cleaning was around when ancient Romans were.
Ancient Romans dry cleaned their clothes to stop them from shrinking. And to do it, they use ammonia.
Ammonia can do the following for vanquishing stains, dissolves grease, whitening whites, and softening.
Later, cleaners started to use petroleum-based solvents like gasoline or kerosene gasoline.
Kerosene gasoline treated dirt very well, but it was highly flammable, so this was dangerous.
Later on, people started using chlorinated solvents, but the United States Environmental Protection Agency concluded that these chemicals are actually not good for the environment.
And also they can cause a lot of health problems such as cancer. Although some cleaners still use this chlorine, the rest of them use another way called carbon dioxide technique.
This process does not harm the environment in any way, and it also doesn't cause any health problems.
From start to finish, dry cleaning is quite the process when you get clothing dry cleaned. So here's how it's done.
Step 1. The first thing the cleaner does is tag it. This means they attach a identification ID to the clothing. That number is how they find your clothing. Step 2. After tagging the clothing, the cleaners check the stains and other marks. They could protrude stains before starting to clean the clothing.
Step 3. Next, the cleaners wash the clothing using cleaning solvents, using the chlorinating technique or the carbon dioxide technique to clean it in a dry way.
Step 4. After, the cleaner may treat some stains that can still be seen.
Step 5. Finally, they iron the clothes and it's ready.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell.
Don't forget to share it with your friends.
And I'll see you next week.